Get out the car! Get out the car! Get out of the car!
What the fuck? Watch out, hold on, watch out. Watch out. Hey! Stop! Stop! Get on the ground! You shot me! Get on the ground!
You squashed, you fucking almost killed me! You almost killed me! You almost killed me, motherfucker! You almost fucking killed me!
Give me handcuffs! Handcuffs!
You didn't stop!
Handcuffs! Please, sir! Sir, please call an ambulance, sir. Y'all killed me tonight. I got keys, sir. Please, sir.
Okay, Sergeant, wait.
Sergeant, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, get him out of here. Hey, help me out, get him out the roadway. Get him out, send him out. Get him out the roadway. Get him out the roadway.
You okay?
Yeah.
You heard me. Check the first Sergeant Marquez.
No, I'm good.
We're going to be on West Timer, heading north next.
Get him out the roadway. Get him out the roadway.
Anybody got a tourniquet? Anybody got a
Hey, check it, check it.
tourniquet?
Outside in front of the
Tourniquet. What happened to you, Sergeant? You okay?
Squashed me, but I'm good. He was...
Relax.
He didn't want to stop driving.
It's okay. It's okay.
He was squashing the fuck out of me. My leg hurts.
You shot your leg?
Hey, hold on. He's trying to get away.
Hey, he's coming back.
Yeah, he's trying to get away. Y'all hold the radio.
Out of the car! Out! Out! What? Stop! Hey, out! Shots fired, shots fired. Stop! Stop! Hey, we need HFC out here at the 5,000 block of West Timer. Underground! 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 Anybody else inside? You almost fucking killed me! We're at the 5,000 block of West Timer. We need HFC out here. We got one no shot, conscious and breathing.
Please, sir.
Are you okay, Sergeant? Okay?
Sergeant, okay?
Okay, sorry.
Hey, get him out of here. Hey, help me out, get him out the roadway. Get him out, stand up. Get him out the roadway. Get him out the roadway.
I got him.
We're going to be on West Timer, heading north next.
Get him out the roadway. Way down, shot me. Get him out the road, sir. Please, y'all, please help me. Please help me, sir.
I got tourniquet. Hey,
Tourniquet.
outside in front of the Grand Lux Cafe.
Tourniquet.
Hey, where's your shot?
Right here. Roll him over.
Where's your shot?
Turn him over here.
You try to kill him, sir. You can't do that.
Roll over.
Upper left.
Tourniquet. Are you shot in your leg?
Where else you shot? Let's check.
Hey, take your shoes off.
Hold on.
Sir.
Yeah, time check for that. Yeah, time check.
You got interview coming already?
Yeah.
Guys, use your MDT clear. We're going to be primary over there.
Hey, where else? Where else? I got another tourniquet. Where else?